back to the Elegance family. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. So today we are making a glass scenery snowman. If this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For your materials, you're going to need a large bulb, a fish bowl, some paint, thread, and something like a wooden stick or styrofoam. We're going to pour paint into the bulb and we're going to slightly tap it, kind of shake it a little and agitate it till the bulb is completely immersed in the paint. And if you feel you didn't add enough paint the first time, it's okay to add a little more paint to the bulb. So this part can get a little messy, so if you'd like to wear gloves or simply just add something to the hole at the top of the bulb, you can while agitating it, tapping it, and shaking it. Now that the bulb is coated, we're going to drain the bulb by turning it upside down. At this point, you can either put the paint back in its container or you can dispose of the paint. You're going to set the bulb aside, and the dry time on this bulb is going to be 24 hours. For time's sake, we do have another bulb that has dried that we are using for the project. I'm sure you've seen these ornaments at Hobby Lobby, the little snowman ornaments. What we're going to do, see the dots are all over the place. We're going to just remove the dots and actually place them to make a smile. I think it looks more like a snowman that way than the way that they had it all over the face. See how different that looks? It looks like a snowman. And because this head is an ornament, we do have to detach the string that they have applied on the ornament. And we are going to fluff the hat up a little bit. We're going to make it a little thicker to bring more quality to the hat. So we will be applying a thicker material around the edge of the hat and also the top pom-pom as well. So now we are taking a piece of plush material and we are applying it around the hat. You can find plush material at either Hobby Lobby or JoAnns. JoAnns usually has a sale on their material. So if they're not having a sale, you can also use the coupons. Okay, the easiest way to do this if you're going to make the pom-pom, like we went on and sewed it and placed it onto the hat. But if you're not one that sews, the easiest way to do this is grab the same plush material, wrap it onto the pom-pom, and you can actually glue gun it. Or if you know a little bit about sewing, then you can cut the circle and kind of like sew into the circle and leave a little hole and then place it onto the pom-pom. So now we are making the mittens and we're cutting it out in the form of a popsicle. You're going to cut the extra material off the sides. Towards the edge, we're going to round it a little bit. So we're going to even it by removing any extra material. So we decided to make the mittens a little bit smaller, and you can either go smaller or bigger, but we're just cutting them a little smaller so we are removing more material. Okay, so for the thumb area, you're going to cut it like you would cut a piece of pie. Once you separate it, then you're going to round it, and that is what's going to make the thumb. So you're going to place another piece of material on top of the one that you just cut out the form of to make the bottom of the mitten. Now you want to combine the two materials together, and you're going to sew the mitten. If it's done correctly, your mitten should look like this. Now we're making the shawl, and we are going to cut the shawl down the center, and afterwards we are going to clean the shawl up, and we are going to put 4 splits in the shawl at the very bottom. So now this is the fun part. We are going to put the snowman together, and we are going to dress the snowman. Now we are making the scenery for the snowman. So we are cutting out a piece of styrofoam so that we can apply the little figurine onto the styrofoam.
In our hearts, we will carry
This does complete our tutorial for today, and if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive notifications next time we upload a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you. We'll see you on our next video. Bye.